Top 4 biggest tsunamis caught on the camera. Number 1. Tonga Tsunami 2022. NASA determines that the eruption was hundreds of times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on the Hiroshima. Despite the severe destruction to many islands, only 4 deaths in Tonga were attributed to the tsunami. Number 2. Deadliest Japan Tsunami 2011. A 9 magnitude earthquake off northeastern coast of Japan. The strongest ever recorded in the country triggered a tsunami up to 30 meters high that washed up to 5 kilometers inland, resulting in the massive loss of life, environmental devastation, and infrastructural damage. Number 3. Thailand Tsunami 2004. The powerful earthquake off the coast of the Indonesian island of the Sumatra on December 2004 triggered a tsunami that killed around 230,000 people across a dozen countries reaching as far as East Africa. Number 4. Greenland